Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today thank you so much for your support that the response what I'm getting for my videos, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you so much. Friends, today is about I want to give some awareness which everyone has to know, because now after all this lockdowns everything, we gonna take a vaccination. So soon the government will say that COVID vaccine is compulsory. We gonna hear all this. So I want to give some important information where everyone has to know before going for the vaccination, because this vaccine is very new. So to post this video, I just consult some doctors regarding the vaccines, and then based on their advices, and I have done some research as well. So I have collected some people's some of my colleagues friends responses, of, after the vaccination what they've been through. So based on that, I'm just posting this video. Friends, there is some people are, some category people, they are really absolutely fine with their health, and they doesn't have anything, after taking the vaccination they are fine for the vaccine, and only they had a slightly body pain, and they have taken the proper rest, so they're okay. But some cases, their body is not supporting, they are really going through kind of body pain, severe body pain, fever, and they're not at all comfort with the vaccine, and they're feeling uneasy inside like this. So now I want to suggest here, based on doctors advice and some research of mine, I want to give you some advice, that is, if you're have a very good immune system in you, and you have a very good willpower, and in your past life whatever that you have taken medicines, it is not given any side effect, and you're fine for any medicines, and your body is okay, because your body is not giving anything negative impact about medicine what you're taking. So if and your immune system is really very good, and you have nothing to worry, and you're already fine, and you're very strong, and this is if you feel like this vaccine is nothing to me, you can just take, then please go ahead and take vaccine. It is not affecting you at all. So if some people, they are really scared, for the injections, they are really scared for the medicine, and they doesn't like to consume any kind of medicine, and they want to prefer only a natural medicines, like home remedies like that, then you have to think once more, because your mind is not prepared at all. So you have to prepare your mind, and when you prepare your mind, and you have to think that, when you take a medicine, there will be a small side effect, which may give you kind of body pain or uneasy in the body, like that. So if you are ready for that, then please go and take the vaccination. So here important I want to tell you that there is some people are I request you, some I request some people, please, before going for a vaccination, please consult doctor, because see, there is some people, I can say, like ladies, like, who are planning to conceive, who are planning to have a baby, or who is already pregnant, who is already conceived, so is having 2 months or 3 months, uh, they are pregnant, then please consult your doctor, gynecologist. So based on their suggestion, you can take the vaccination. Otherwise, no, please don't take, because it is highly not recommendable, because you might be going through, your body is going through a lot of changes, and your baby is growing inside. You're not one person, you're two-person with your baby, and then you have a lot of mood swing. Once ladies are, once a lady is conceived, once a woman is conceived, uh, you know I heard many times, they will go through that thyroid problem or hormonal imbalance, like that. So in that cases, please consult your gynecologist, whom you are meeting on regular basis, please meet the doctor, and then go for a, based on their advice, like based on their recommendation, you can take the COVID vaccination. Okay, otherwise it is not compulsory for you. Okay, please don't take a, okay. And second, like no kids, please don't push them to take a vaccination. It is not compulsory for them. Okay, because they're small, and it is not necessary for them to give the injection. So they already have their own vaccination list, so that is already given for them. Okay, and the third is especially the people who are going through a very a special health concerns, like on they might be having a regular medications, like for the BP they have to take their regular medications, and then cholesterol, high blood pressure, like sugar, or they might be having some kidney problem, or heart problem, or their blood flow is not proper, anything, like your body is going through a special concern about which is related to health, please stop, don't go for a vaccination, don't rush yourself for the vaccination, because you have already regular medications, and you have to consult a doctor. Based on your doctor consultation, they will recommend you for the vaccination. Okay, you please don't take that responsibility directly, you will go and take the vaccination, because you have already regular medications, and you have to see that as well. Okay, and then the last, I want to tell all the mummies and daddies, grandmas and grandpas, great grandmas, and great grandpas, please, I know you're very strong, I know the age is just a number, I know that for you, please don't take the vaccination right now, because you know what, this is not the time, I feel like this is not the safe time for you to get the vaccination. Because see, if something negatively happens to you, like you think that you're the head of the family, you are the main pillar of the family, if something small thing is happening to you, and then you're rushing to hospital, it is like kind of stress, everyone in the family, they are like shaking just because of you. So please stay back, and if you feel like you're really strong, that this is just nothing, I'll just go and take the vaccine, if you feel like that, if you have such kind of guts, then please go and take. If not, please, this is not the right time for you to take the vaccination. Just wait for another 6 months or 8 months or 1 year, this crisis will be over, so you can relax. Okay, because we don't want to miss you, you are the backbone of the family, you are the main pillar, and we want you to stay with us forever. Okay, so this is the one concern, and the one more, like we are not sure how your body will cope up with the new vaccination, because this vaccination is completely new, and it is not a old vaccination, it is completely new. So we are don't want to risk your life with the vaccination, that's all I can say, friends. So please, after this vaccination, I'm sure that your body gonna give kind of response, like uneasy in your body, or uncomfortable, and or you may get body pain, or you may feel like sleeping all the time, or you may feel like fever, or you may feel like kind of your body is going through. So these all the basic the side effect, after the vaccination, that we all are going, we all are, like some people are already gone through it, they are fine now, but still, like one or two people, they lost their life due to what they are having inside in their body. So please, I suggest, personally I suggest, like if your body is not is not cope up with any medications, then I'm not sure about this vaccine as well. So please consult, or your doctor, and get some test, or just go for any test, kind of before getting the vaccination. If that is okay, then your doctor will recommend you for the vaccination, so that based on that, you can go for a vaccination. So important thing, after the vaccination also, we no one will give the guarantee that you will not get corona. some people have, they have after the vaccination they have got the COVID positive. Okay, they have overcome, they have already healed and they are fine now. But what I'm saying is, vaccine is just a injection where you can just to prevent, we can, you can just prevent. Okay, so doing taking the injection, it is giving you a prevent, like it's preventing you. Okay, at the same time, if you're not comfortable with the vaccine, you have other ways to take care of yourself naturally, like if some people doesn't like vaccines, for them, you can go for other alternative options, please. Naturally you can use your ginger, neem leaves with honey, with turmeric, all this you can do this. Okay, please friends, this is very important. After the vaccination, it's not that 100% that government will give you a guarantee that you will not go, you will not get corona. You will get corona if you are meeting the patient, COVID patient, definitely you will get COVID. But if you build your immune system, so that you will not get corona, this is the fact actually. So vaccine is just a one injection where it will give you an it will make you it will just prevent you, that's all I can say. As per the doctor advice, I can only say this, it is a one injection where it can prevent, that's all. So friends, as usual, please, injection is just to prevent, but after taking the injection, there's lot of chances are there. If you're not following on your regular prevent, your regular awareness that you are not following, then definitely you will be affecting from the COVID. So please wear the mask, and then have a social distance, and please don't meet any strangers apart from your family. Even if it is your family, just don't hang out for long hours, or just don't hang out directly. Stay in your house very safely, and then start going for a vitamin C fruits, and then take natural sunlight, and then again start consuming this ginger juice, honey with turmeric, with neems, like that. So that will help you to that will help you to stay away from the COVID. So that's all. So stay blessed, stay positive, stay strong. So if you're staying positive, when you believe in yourself that you can able to overcome this crisis, definitely you will overcome. And please do all the awareness precautions, which is very very important right now, so that we can able to overcome corona crisis very fast. So thank you so much for listening and giving great support for me to post the videos. It's really motivating me as well. Thank you so much. God bless you all. So take care. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share the link with all your friends and family members. So see you again in the next video. God bless you abundantly and stay healthy. Definitely I'm praying for you all. Take care. Bye bye.